Most people come to South Africa to see the Big Five, but there's an increasing proportion of them who come to see the 500 odd, rather neglected creatures, the birds. There are over 500 species of birds present in Kruger. The bushveld and woodlands of the Kruger are probably the richest bird habitats in South Africa. All birds have a preferred habitat with a specialized niche within that habitat. Many birds will disappear if habitat destruction continues. But the most significant fact about birds is that they can do what humans have wanted to do ever since they stood up: fly.